In this tutorial, I will show you how to take this AutoCAD floor plan as a simple screenshot and turn it into this 3D floor plan render using AI only within seconds. Without further ado, let's dive in. So guys, let's start with our tutorial, and the first thing we are going to do, we will spend a couple of seconds to prepare our file for the AI renderer. We will use Gemini AI, or which is also famous for Nano Banana. So what I'm going to do, I don't like to have my texts undimensioned. We usually don't have them in 3D floor plan renders, as everything is obvious. It's different from 2D floor plans. So we select a couple and type select similar and go for hide. Okay, so now we have a clean floor plan drawing, and now let's simply bring in our snipping tool and take a screenshot for our floor plan. So yep, let me zoom in. Okay, now let me bring in my snipping tool, and let's take a screenshot. But yeah, I think this size is good. So new, and let's take a screenshot from here till here. Okay, great. Okay, now I think it looks fine. And now let's go and save it, desktop, and call it floor plan to AI render 01. Okay, now the next step, I will come here into Gemini AI, or which is also called Nano Banana Pro, and as you see, we have ChatGPT open as well, and we may use it later on, and I will share a great trick here with you guys. So let me simply go with add files, upload file, and floor plan to AI render. Let's bring it in and make sure you are on Pro and create image. And now let's tell it create a 3D isometric or perspective floor plan render, realistic, professional. Okay, so simple prompt, and let's see what result we will get. Okay, so guys, let me tell you beforehand, this is not replacing 3D and rendering. It's just very good and for quick fast result to just show your client a quick concept and a quick render. Okay, so we will still have to work on 3D. So let's look at it and see the result. I think it looks pretty fine. Here we have our reception. Here we have our dining area. Here we have our entrance, bedroom, closet, bathroom. It actually kept the design as it is, and I really like it. Great. But now let me show you one more thing. Let's go to ChatGPT and upload our photo. Okay, open. And let's ask ChatGPT to write a prompt for us. Write a prompt for Gemini AI to render this plan into 3D floor plan render, and choose, let's say, choose marble and wooden finish for the floor. Okay, let's see what we will get. Okay, so I really liked our first the first one. I really liked it, so but it was good, very quick results. But let's test out what if you write a proper prompt. And here, as you see, I asked ChatGPT to write me a prompt, and now I will only copy, and let's go to Google Gemini AI, do the same step, upload. Let's upload the file, and paste our prompt, and let's see how the results will look. So I'm very curious. I hope it will give us a nice result. So let's see. Okay, guys, let me take the moment until it finishes to ask you if you want to have this floor plan and other architecture stuff. You can find it on my Patreon. There you can support me and it will mean a lot to me. Now let's get to our result. Oh my god, okay, it looks very, very nice. I absolutely love it. If you compare it to the amount of time we have spent on it and the result, I think the result is doing very, very well. Okay, and I think, yeah, the floor plan stayed as it is, no big changes. Great. So let's ask it to add decoration to the walls. Okay, this will be our last try and we will sum up the tutorial. So I think you got the idea. Prepare your floor plan inside of AutoCAD, take a screenshot. If you want to write a proper prompt, ask ChatGPT to do it, and yeah, take it everything to Nano Banana. Very, very well. Now you see we have decorations on the walls, which is very nice. We have for the bedrooms, the living room, and the, how you say it, the gym. We have wooden floor parquet, and for the rest we have marble. Nice variation. We have furnitures on the wall. To be honest, I love the result. And if you compare it to the amount of time we have spent it, it's amazing. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections, and see you in our upcoming tutorial.